Hello, good morning, people around the world. It's me again, Auntie Girl. So, for today's video ay magbe-breakfast kami ni Uncle. Kasi bumili siya, ay galing pala siya kanina sa coffee shop dito sa amin sa Outokumpo. Tapos, bumili siya ng cinnamon roll. Yan. Or, what do you call by this in here?
Cinnamon roll.
Yeah, in Finnish.
Kaneli.
Kaneli
Korvapuusti.
Korvapuusti. And then, my favorite, rice pie with egg butter on the top. Ito yung binili niya. Kasi mag-breakfast kami, dalawa. So, ngayong araw ang aming start ng summer vacation. Right? And it's sunny day outside. It's really good. So, ang ganap namin mamaya, mga alas 11, dito sa amin ay mag-washing kami ng aming mga mattress or matto. Kasi nag-book siya ng appointment last week. Yun. So, bale, 3 hours yung time na binook namin. Ang kati. Dami na kasing lamok dito ngayon, mga auntie. Kaya, ang kati-kati na ng binti ko. Pag lumabas kasi ng bahay, doon maraming lamok kasi summer na dito sa Finland. Yun nga lang, palaging naulan. Right? Yung summer ngayon taon ay maulan. Pero sana, sa mga susunod na araw ay mainit naman. Say hi to.
Hi!
Ayan siya minsan. So, ayan, magkakape kami. So, yun lang. Yun lang yung aming ganap. Magkakape-kape muna kami dito. Chika-chika. Hati kami sa purla. Mga 1 hour pa yung waiting, waiting time. Tapos pupunta na kami doon. Malapit lang naman yun dito sa amin, yung washing place. Right. Maganda doon kasi malawak. Tapos magbabayad ka lang by card. Tap mo lang yung card mo. Dati kasi by coins yun. Hulog-hulog. Tapos iniba na nila. Tapos maganda na. Maganda na pati yung machine. Malaki na. Right? So, yun. Hati kami dalawa. Cheers. Diba kesa loma?
Have a happy summer vacation.
Siguro sa aming trip na to ay sa aming summer vacation baka kami. Road trip. Right? Hindi ko pa alam baka papuntang south. Or syempre magtatanim-tanim. Papakita ko sa inyo yung pechay na tinanim ko, tsaka yung carrots niya. Yung kanya kasi, nauna kasi siyang magtanim kaysa sa akin. Ngano kasi ako, na-late ako, talaga inano ko na sa middle ng June ko siya itatanim yung mga pechay. Kasi pag tinanim ko siya ng maaga, tapos ang weather dito ay paiba-iba, baka hindi tumubo yung mga pechay. Sayang naman yung mga buto na itinanim ko. Actually, dito ko siya nabili sa Finland. Hindi ko nga akalain may buto yun eh. Kasi dati nung nasa Pinas pa ako, sinamama kasi yung nagtatanim yun. Hindi naman ako mahilig magtanim-tanim dati sa Pilipinas. Dito lang talaga sa Finland. I start learning how to plant, cook, and bake here in Finland. Maybe because I am alone sometimes. So, I have a lot of things come to my mind. I want to watch tutorial from Facebook and YouTube. So, it's getting relaxation to my mind. Right? Sorry to my English, Chris. Yes. Nakaka-relax kasi. Mag-planting, tuwing summer, mag-bake. Sa winter. Pag winter kasi wala masyadong ginagawa. Kaya yung mag-bake-bake na lang. So, marami akong pinapanood sa Facebook, sa YouTube, mga ganun. Dito lang ako natututo ng mga ganyan. And it's good.
Activity.
Yeah. Sometimes in the winter, going outside for snow work, and then sometimes, if it's not so cold, doing ice skating,
Yeah.
sledging. Is it sledging? Like slide?
Can be.
Or ski in the frozen lake. Ganun lang yung mga aktibidades dito sa Finland. In winter. Summer naman, pag hindi na ulan, mag-mower, planting, yan, mag-walking, jogging, bicycling, swimming, right, with friends.
A lot of activities.
Yeah, in summer. A lot of activities actually in summer than in winter. And then spring. Actually, I don't like spring.
You don't?
Yeah, because it's the Loska.
Yeah, Alaska. Yeah.
Lots of water in the street.
But
But it's okay because it means that the summer is coming if the ice are melting, right?
that's bad time.
Just
when it's
wear only rubber boots.
But then
right?
after that, when the grass is start to grow and the streets are more dry, that moment of the spring is the good.
Yeah. And then fall, the autumn. I like autumn also because of the leaves. You can see beautiful leaves. It's changed the color, right? We don't have like that in the Philippines. We just have fall, only falling, not changing the color. But I see one plant, the santol plant. It changed the color because way back when I was in the Philippines, we have this santol plant. It's like it's a fruit. And then the leaves, when it's autumn time, like fall time, the leaves are changing into orange. Yeah, I know, I've noticed that. Then I realized when I came here that it means that it's a fall in the Philippines. I don't remember, maybe it's only same than here, the month. It changed the color, really. Yeah.
It's happened.
Yeah. It's like green turns into yellow and then yellowish and then orange. The santol plant. I remember. I don't know somebody if they know that, but I've noticed it.
That's nice.
I noticed that. Today we are washing and then painting the sauna side, right? Dahil papakita ko din sa inyo. Wood oil, no?
There in the outside terrace. Near the sauna. Need to put the tape first there in the side of the wall.
Yeah.
To protect that.
That's true.
Maybe you can do that.
Yeah.
Also with me a bit.
Yeah.
Because you doing last summer so good.
Like this. Okay.
You already know it, how to make.
So mamaya doon. Papakita ko din sa inyo. Meron pa kaming 45 minutes. Right?
We can soon
we go.
go there.
Yeah. But at least we have 3 hours there.
Yeah.
Can you rice pie? Yummy. Right?
Philippine, you have a rice cake.
We have.
This is the finished version of the rice thing. And it's been in Finland like the last 100 years. So the rice actually is not new for us. Only how we use the rice.
Ganito sila mag-ano ng rice.
Because that's how like boiled with the milk. Because when they boil
you have also potato.
Yeah.
Pero no.
But it's like a different taste a lot. But you know, when they boil that rice, it's with the water. And then end of that boiling, they add this red milk, this
Täysmaito.
täysmaito. It's not the red color, but it's like a
The
more.
cover.
It's like more
Tasty.
milk.
For food.
It's like more fat inside of that milk.
Täysmaito.
So they add that, so it's comes the rich flavor
Yeah.
for the rice.
Maya aalis na din kami. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung pinagwawashingan namin ng aming mga mattress para malinis yung aming mattress. Kasi may bisita kaming dadating dito. We have visitor. So, kaya yun. Last year kasi nakalimutan naming mag-washing. Kaya ngayon na lang namin iwa-washing. Kasi si Uncle, nalaglagan niya ng chicken. That one mattress there, then you flip it off only. But still, I've noticed it. I've noticed everything.
Okay, that's not totally everything. Something's there.
So, yun. Mamaya na lang ulit mga auntie girl, ha? So, update ko na lang kayo sa mga magaganap. Bye! Labas muna tayo. Medyo mahangin nga lang. Pero, caravels lang ang hangin. Hindi naman siya ganun kalamig. Kasi nga may araw. Papakita ko sa inyo yung aming strawberry. Ayan, may bunga na siya. Yung bulaklak naging bunga na. Pero hindi pa siya red. So, ayan o. Ayan o. Kita nyo ba? Ayan. Hindi mo masyadong kita eh. Ayan. Ayan o. Madami-dami na din siya. Ayan. Yun yung aming strawberry. And then, ito naman yung pechay. Wait lang. Yan yung pechay, oh. Malaki. Ito yung kauna-unahan na tumubo. Yan. Pansahog sa sinigang na baboy. Sana lumago. Yung sadli, yung aking tomato, hindi na tumubo. So, nilagyan ko na lang doon ng pechay. Tapos yung asparagus, malalaki na. Yan, oh, nag-adult na siya. Ganyan na siya, oh. Ito naman kay Uncle na carrots. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, oh. Yan. Nauna kasi siyang magtanim. May mga harvest na siya sa autumn. Siya naman yung akin. Ito yung ritisi. Para siyang labanos. Specha yan. Look at the asparagus adult na ang ahas. Si snake. Ayan, adult na. Ayan, mga pechay. And then, ito yung sinasabi kanina ni Uncle na yung sauna namin sa labas. Yan. Tapos meron kami dong what do you call that? Movable
sensor and that,
sensor light.
and then the light in the
Yeah. Yan, oh.
so
Ito yung sinasabi ni Uncle na grind niya. Lalagyan kasi namin yan ng wood oil. Yan. Para maganda siya tingnan kasi mukha na siyang old. So, lalagyan namin siya ng wooden oil. No?
We just put the new layer wood oil. So
Wood oil.
looks bit better.
Look at our fence. Ang bilis tumubo. Kailangan na namin yung tabasin. Tabasin. Magkakaano na kami. Cutting fence. Yes. Oh, ang aming snowball. Pasira na. Lakas kasi ng bagyo. Kagabi. Yan tanggal na yung mga nagtanggalan na. Ayan na yung nasa baba. Ito yung aming fence na kailangan namin bawasan kasi baka magalit yung aming neighbor. Ayan. Ayan baka pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Diba? Ganyan dito pag summer. Ayan. Ganyan. Meron din kami ditong sensor light. Yan Yan naman ay pag madilim. And then, dito pa. So, ganito yung aming gagawin. Sa summer, mag-cutting. Hanggang dito pa yan. Ang ganda ng kulay ng aming wall. Yung kabilang side doon sa may backyard. Sa may grilling, sa tapat ng grilling, hindi pa naayos yun eh. So, yan. Hanggang doon. Kailangan namin yan tanggalin. Hindi naman tanggalin. Yung lang ba? Cutting. Ganun. Ilagay muna namin yung aming. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo mga auntie girl. Pininturahan ko yan. About 2 years ago. Wooden oil. Yan. Yan. Hala, yung bulaklak. Maganda. Dami na niya. In fairness. Ayan pa yung isa. What now?
I think I can wash this.
Yeah, we can wash also. Oh. Wala, tanggal na yung yung aming midsummer flowers. Kailangan na namin manguha ulit. Ito lang yung survival. Plastic one. Mag-grilling ulit kami dyan next time. Grabe yung dahon Tinanggal na namin yan dati kaso may ugat pa siya. So nagtubuan ulit. Wala, kawawa naman yung namin. Orvoke. Nabagyuhan. Nagkalanta-lanta na. Nabagyuhan kasi. Pero itong maganda. Ayan beautiful.
They are growing a lot now.
Yes.
Maybe they need a lot of water.
Thank you, Lord. Not yet. It's still wet because of the storm. Sana magtuloy-tuloy na yung init ng panahon para happy na yung mga plants. Hindi palaging umuulan. So, let's go. Let's pick our mattress and then we go to wash. Right? Decoration later. Pero now we need to wash our mattress. Ang haba na ng mga damo. Your grass is getting higher, so you need to cut it later. Kawawa naman yung namin din. What? Nailit ka?
I don't know what happened to them. I guess that's why too late.
Yeah. Ito pa yung isa, oh, kawawa naman. And then the cherry mobile.
There's
Cherries.
many these flowers coming soon.
Yeah.
Look, all of them. All of them are still growing.
Ayan. So, kunin muna namin yung aming mga ano. Kunin muna namin, ha. Okay. Let's get it on. Let's get it. There is the bee.
So, do you think that we have all of them in here?
I believe I put it already. Kukunin muna namin, na. It's here. So, ito. Isa. Dito ko muna ilalagay. Diyan. Halitan siguro natin ng ano. Yes, you can use that. But not, you cannot use the fabric softener there, I think. Is there? Okay. Okay. Can you turn up the TV, please?
Yeah.
Because
It was only left that open, so you can get the one we have. More.
Ah, okay. Is it fine? So, palitan natin ang stand. Standing ovation. Pero medyo high naman siya. Mataas. Yan. Hindi naman ganun kadami yung aming mga mattress. Ito yung soap na gagamitin namin. Yan. Okay na?
Is this all?
Yeah.
Can you check still every room if we have more?
I think that's all.
Because we can bring all of them.
Okay. Check ko daw muna. Pero sa tingin ko naman na ano ko na lahat eh. Yung mga dapat dalahin. Kasi prepare ko na. Hinanda ko na yun kagabi eh. Hindi naman to pwedeng isa. Okay pa naman. Sa tingin ko na ano ko na yun. Wala, okay na ang lahat. Let's go! Malapit lang naman yun dito sa amin. Pero, syempre, kailangan natin mag-car. Kasi, di ba pwedeng bit-bitin natin ng ganun-ganun na lang. How about this one? Do you have key? Okay. So, let's go. So, yan. Tapos, meron pa ako nakasalang na mga labahin. Kasi, kada 1 week kasi kami naglalaba para medyo tipid naman sa sabon at sa kuryente. So, yan. Let's go now. Let's go. Let's go. It's hot inside the car. It's hot. Say hi. Are you shy still?
Wait.
Shy pa daw siya. Ano, nakaka-blooming pag may araw. Pag walang araw, nakakasad. Buti na lang may araw. I think we don't need the coins, just only tap the card there.
If you want from the money, this vanish, so that will not also play very well.
But we have the soul.
Yeah, I guess so. It might be.
Yeah, it's okay. So, pumunta na kami ngayon. Ang ganda sana ngayon mag-swimming, kaso medyo mahangin. Ewan ko lang kung warm na yung tubig. So mamaya na lang ulit, update ko na lang ulit kayo.